You are not got your viral thing in one day. Now we see like, one video dala viral ho gaya. It is seen only for 1 month, 2 months.
Exactly. But I'm the creator first.
Yes.
I have created.
You have.
So some people it's good. By watching me, they are also starting. So that's my creation. To create that, I know the struggle behind that. So next, what should we post? What should
that goes in your mind every day.
In sleeping also.
That you
our
told.
struggle I know. That's why nobody affirmed means I can't do anything. But my struggle I'm sharing with Neha.
You know. And what about the Veena makers? How you want to support them? Because like weavers, our culture, somewhere, got more recognized outside India.
Neha, nowadays,
can-
people are growing, learning people are growing. But manufacturers are lack of manufacturers. The scarcity is very, very, very. So government should please provide the courses, Veena making, Veena Malam, repairing of Malam. So every government.
Do you face problems because the kind of you have? What is your struggle?
Lots.
Like for making one Veena, it just people take photos and they say, "Oh, this is very nice."
yes.
The struggle which you showed about yourself, I want to know the struggle behind your Veena making.
I have created some Veenas also, simplifying create. So I bought Mother Veena 2012 from Saptaswara, Chennai. Don't know, maybe anybody made or I don't know. I bought from Saptaswara. It's very authenticating sound. It's awesome. And by the time they gave me with Tumba, it's very tough to carry in the flights as a woman. So we can't know.
Yeah.
So Saptaswara Lalji seriously very helpful to musicians. Everything I have shared, no, he used to. Lalji, the box is very, very big. No, ma'am, I'll make you. So sling box. Okay. After that, without the tumba, I have made rod and plate, detachable rod and plate. By the time some people don't know, no, by the we can't say anything. But so this is not nice, not done. But for not a look purpose, I have put that. Detachable the Veena, we can keep in sling box. I'll show you now. Okay. As a women, we travel alone. We can carry the Veena.
Yes.
For that purpose, so traveling purpose, safety purpose, I have done so many. So after that, the Malam also, that Mabhushek will do some, that world record Veena is there, no? That Veena has done by Mabhushek.
Okay.
Nujibidu.
How much time it takes like to make, or you also get
1 month. 1 month.
1 month.
1 month he took. Okay. So he used to make like that. 9 years back, me and Mabhushek, 4 days for one Veena, Malam. So Tarasthai, that notes are very high. If he done also very high. So we both should sit and put a tuner and properly. So lots of difficulties.
That is really, I can
But
see.
there are lack of makers also.
I know.
So government should immediately provide one course of making Veenas.
That you.
Serious.
I think you, because you want perfectness, that's why maybe things has to go in a proper way.
Exactly that.
So what next then? What next songs we can expect? Who are coming up? Or you're practicing?
Yeah, I immediately I'll get thought. Okay. What next? Immediately.
But you hear music, Hindi music,
yeah,
and
everything.
Trending nowadays. Which is your favorite? You heard recently.
Recently means nothing.
Okay.
All Ilayaraja songs. What is trend? All old songs are trending.
That is true. They're doing remix.
Exactly. Not new songs. Now, no new songs. Old songs only. All in pubs, in shows, everything they're listening.
But any song of Shreya Ghosal ma'am you love, you have heard, and you want to work on.
Many
I know, but you wanted to get in your
Ashiki.
Ashiki you already did, right?
Yes.
Which you have not done.
Which have not done.
One or
all
two
her
you're
familiar
planning.
songs I have done. All her familiar songs I have
Yes, so done 300, 400
done.
done.
Familiar songs means here.
Okay, in
Telugu people, if Telugu people knew, no?
Okay.
Very famous songs in Telugu.
And Hindi?
Hindi, there are lots of songs.
Which
no?
like you Like planning or something you can tell. Your favorite.
Planning.
Or you like her some Hindi song? You're planning to compose on that. Or do a fusion.
Yeah, obviously.
हाँ.
I wanted to.
That song you tell me. If you...
That song. मेरे ढोलना. Yes. I
That
wanted
you have
to
not
sing
done
along.
abhi tak na?
I
You have not done.
I have done, but I wanted to sing along with
Acha,
Shreya.
with her.
Yes.
Dholna.
Yes.
So, एक बार just we'll have a small rapid fire. Which song you want to do with them?
Done,
Okay, that
done,
manifestation. Shreya Ghosal, you said.
मेरे ढोलना.
हाँ. कुमार शानू, चलो ये tell.
आंसू की जरूरत है जैसे.
Yes.
Yes.
That you have done.
Yes.
So any other also, मतलब every Hindi song you'll get from your husband only.
Yes.
Oh, so we have to wait for his signal. So you're not listening any Hindi songs?
Yeah, I listen. Whatever I wanted to play, I'll listen that song.
But Udit sir का कोई अभी?
Lots of songs I have because in our cars, so my hubby used to play those songs. No, I used to listen those songs. All songs I used to listen.
Okay. I just want to know your fitness funda and what makes you to get into this concentration work, because lot of concentration you needed. We all moments are multitask. We have Ashirwad of Devi, and
Yes.
we can do everything.
Yes.
So asking how you balance this, we can balance.
Yes.
But what ingredients you put inside yourself to make this happen? Ki everything is going very smooth.
Only one goal. Only one goal will give this look, everything, that hair, everything. Oh, that goal. You have the strong goal means God will give everything. I don't go for gyms and all.
That's what my next one,
I go.
fitness.
That means I'm
Yeah.
not a heroine, but I'll maintain for my Veena.
Yes.
I will maintain it look good for
But
Veena.
when you get a full ready now also, the way you got ready,
Yeah.
nobody can
So
say it,
it's already
The-
that a goal. I have told you, no.
The passion.
Every time, if I eat also, something is running behind my,
Oh my
brain. What next? That track, that the show, the get up. What should wear? What are that looks also very important. No, that is also very important.
Yes, yes.
So what we have to get ready, that are songs, this this Tamil Nadu songs, that is Marathi songs. So always
Mix of your brain is always going.
Exactly. When it stops, I don't know.
But I think all your fans will be happy to know about your mode.
My
Because I think,
friends.
out of the south, you are flourishing. Delhi, anything you want to share when you go to where you perform in Delhi, Marathi.
Only one
you
thing
all-
I'll say to them.
No, or they have like what compliment they gave you.
Veena Bibi, the Calcutta, Veena Didi, in Kerala, like Veena Chechi, like how love they showed on me for music. One day I went to Calcutta for G Bangla Saregamapa.
Okay.
Before one day, I went one shopping mall. You can't at all believe, I swear, every shop, Veena Didi ho, I thought, who will recognize me? I simply went.
See?
Veena Didi ho, Arre, what is this?
See?
I can't expect,
And you talk like they must be knowing Hindi, Bangala, या हिंदी में बात करना, वो तो आपसे हो जाता होगा connection.
I can understand, no, I can a little bit talk, no. So, Bangla songs I have played some, no. So, they warned me. Sometimes I felt, Arre, how lucky I am.
But they must be coming with Bangala भाषी अपने बंगाल में बात करना.
No. That's
Then
why
how?
I used to. They spoke in Hindi only.
Acha.
Ab Veena Didi ho.
Okay.
They spoke Hindi only. Some people Bengali, Veena Didi.
You went to Punjab side?
No, Punjab.
Punjab,
No. That
area have to cover.
Yes. that
Delhi
I-
में तो हिंदी में they used to.
Bombay, Calcutta, Pune, Maharashtra, everything I have.
So they used to like language barrier कभी आता था उनसे बात करने के लिए music?
They'll speak in Hindi or English. I
Okay.
can manage.
So अच्छा.
So I'll play Hindi songs. They want Hindi songs, that's it.
Okay.
like that.
While making your fans and interacting, that is going smooth.